How you can earn $250 per day using ChatGPT. In today's video, I will introduce you a method that you can easily and completely free to earn $250 per day using this advanced technology. This is the ChatGPT page. Now the first step to make money using it and repeat it in the easiest and fastest possible way. First of all, you need to find ChatGPT software. You can go to openai.com and then click on try ChatGPT. All you have to do is write in this chat box. I'm writing this text here. Hey, could you please write me a 300-word blog post about losing weight? After some time, ChatGPT started writing article for us. As I said, aerial methods of selling article using ChatGPT are saturated and really don't work anymore because this article is really good and really quality. After creating the article, first of all, go to the website called freecash.com. Earning section is very good. This is just like a very unique earning section that you can earn several hundreds of dollars daily. After registration on this site, go to affiliate marketing section and then just copy your affiliate link. That's all you have to do. Just copy on this link and keep doing it to copy your affiliate link. You get paid, so that's all you have to do from this website now. Also, if you want to withdraw money from this website, you can use any of these services. I think almost any of these will be more than enough for you because I know most of you have a PayPal account and most people use it, and also most people have Bitcoin wallets. So you can use any of this. Now the next thing you're going to do is you're going to go to Quora.com and just sign up for an account, and that's great. And pretty much what you're going to do is you're going to search here and you just want something relevant search by making money online. How to make money online? You find a lot of question and it's dependence on where you are, because you can use this for other section as well. You want to go for the ones that have the most followers, because if you want to like this question, not only answer this question to the person who posted it, I will also answer over 14,000 people who subscribe to check this question, so you can reach 14,000 people from just one question. It's very simple, and yes, the potential. There are so many, you can just love direct messaging. Now, all we have to do is what is the easiest way to make money online. This is just one of the questions. Just click on it and it will be given to you. So these are the most popular questions here are shown, but when you want to open it on the right side, you can see a lot minute with a slightly less answer, a little less people follow them, and it make you have more traffic. These are very small, and when you want to click on them and open your compose, there are more niche down question here. The technology of these are the ones you want to find your niche. So enter your Explorer in topics you are interested in, such as making money or technology. Copy the Quora question and post them in ChatGPT place. You will see the ChatGPT will give you a very accurate answer. Copy and paste your answer right is loud. Actually discourage you from giving them a few online tasks to complete a sign-up bonus and find the payment I think you'll like. And here you can place your affiliate links just as easily. You can have a completely automatic free income with help of ChatGPT. If you like this video, be sure to like it and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to channel and click on the notification bell smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.